Hi, I'm Danny from Tailwind, and I'm going to show you how to create your first draft pin. You can use the new pin menu in the left-hand navigation to create draft pins in a number of ways from anywhere within Tailwind. Once you do create drafts, they will show up within your pin scheduler page, and you can see that the same options are available at the top of the page from within pin scheduler to create drafts. To start, I'm going to use the upload pins method. This will let me select an image from my computer, or multiple images or videos. It uploads it, and then I just click Create Pins. Now I have a draft pin sitting in the main work area of Pin Scheduler. From here, there are a number of things that I can do. First, let's look at the major fields that you'll want to fill in on a pin. A website URL, which is where the pin will link to or where you want to send traffic to. A pin title and description to help users understand what this pin is about. It also helps for SEO purposes in order to help your content be found through search on Pinterest. Which board you want to share the pin to, and then alt text to help make your images accessible. You can also create different types of pins. For example, you could create carousel pins using multiple images, and you can create product pins by tagging specific products. So I could grab the URL for this particular address on an e-commerce site, click tag products, and add that, and that will make it easier for users on Pinterest to shop for that product. From here, you'll want to move towards completing the draft, which you can do manually, or you can use Ghostwriter, which will actually draft the fields for you. You just follow the prompts on this page, and Ghostwriter will actually fill in your choice of title, description, and even alt text for your image. And there you have it. That's the easiest way to create a draft within Tailwind. Some other options that you have, you could start from a URL on your website. So using that version, you would copy and paste the URL, select images from the page, and then move forward in creating the rest of the pin. You can use Smart Pin, which will actually create pins for you on an ongoing basis for any page on your website. You can design pins manually, sort of like using a tool like Canva, but the difference in Tailwind is when you create pins, it gives you dozens of options that you're editing simultaneously in order to help you test out different designs. Or you can create pins by importing a CSV file if you already have the information about the pin. And there you go. That's how you create draft pins in Tailwind.